everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add hyperlink in Adobe Express. Adding a hyperlink in Adobe Express can be done by following these simple steps. First of all, launch the Adobe Express app open on your mobile device, and then create or open up a project. To start a new project, tap on the plus button in blue at the bottom right-hand corner and select your project size from the available options. You can also directly upload a media from your device's camera roll by clicking on the Upload Media button at the bottom of the screen. In order to choose a media from your device's camera roll, you can go ahead and select Photo Library or choose File. Now, import a project that you'd like to work on with. After selecting a project, click on Done at the top right corner. You will then be able to import a media onto the timeline. After importing the media, you will now need to select a text layer. Click on the plus button at the bottom left corner and click on Text from the options. Enter your text in the text box that you want to add to your project, and once you are done, from the bottom menu after selecting your text layer, you will need to swipe through and find the link option and tap on it. After you tap on the link option, go ahead and enter the desired URL in the text box. After you type in or paste in the link, click on the tick mark on the bottom right, and you will then be able to add a hyperlink on your project. Once you've added the hyperlink and are satisfied with your design, save your project the usual way or share your project by exporting it in a desired format. So that is how you can easily add hyperlink on Adobe Express. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.